Alright, que paso amigos? This is John's Moto Garage, buying and selling motorcycles.
Honestly, I looked at the paperwork.
Yeah.
I only put 1,000 miles on it.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. It's brand new tires. Put them on at Harley Davidson over at Glendale. Had it serviced, their oil changes, synthetic oil.
Cool, I'll be right back. Alright, que paso amigos? This is John's Moto Garage, buying and selling motorcycles. I finally got my hands on a Harley Davidson Road King. For the longest time I've always looked at these bikes and thought how dope it would be to buy one. Finally decided to pull the trigger. This is a 2010 Harley Road King Classic. Beautiful mint condition. So far so good on the ride. Brakes are good. Grip's a little loose. I'm not sure what's up with that. Oh, that was dangerous. It's got 23,800 miles. However, this one I can tell has been very well maintained. The guy, I spoke with him a couple times over the phone before I actually came out here. And you know, you never make the assumption before you buy the bike, obviously, but typically you can get a good idea. Always go into it still objectively looking for an issue, but this thing, yeah, this thing's pretty awesome. Now, I didn't even know this. Goes to show how novice I am, but it's got cruise control, so I'm gonna make sure the cruise control works. I guarantee I'm gonna get lost here. Anyway, I gotta go out somewhere where I can actually test out the cruise control. All right, here we go. I should be able to test out the cruise control. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so cruise control, I don't know how this thing works. It's like a button. Novice out here, you guys, complete novice. I'm digging the bike so far. These are this is a 96 cubic inch, belt drive, fuel injected. You got the floorboards, heel toe shifter. This one's completely decked out. You got the crash bars, quick detach windshield, not on it right now obviously. You got the quick detach passenger backrest, luggage rack, all that good stuff. Highway lights. This has got the wobble. See that wobble? That seems to be something with these Harleys, just at certain RPMs. Yeah, I'd really like to figure out how this cruise control works just so I can test it. So far, no luck. It's on. You know, I'm going 40 miles per hour. That should be fine, right? Huh. I'll have to ask this guy how it works, because that's not a deal breaker, but obviously that's something you want to know about before buying a motorcycle. Accelerate smooth, shift smooth. I noticed no oil leaks or anything like that when I checked it out. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Bam! There's the cruise control. You see that? Driving around, no hands, and you're cruising at 55 miles per hour. So it's over right here on this side. Oh, that's not what I wanted to hit. Cool, cruise control works. This is dope, man. I like it. So we already agreed on a price for the bike. Check out my next video. I'll go into that, what I paid for it, what I think it's worth. But I dig this one, so it'll probably be one for the personal collection. Let's get back to the dude, make sure we can get the title and get this sucker loaded up. It's dark, it's getting late. I need to get it all the way back home. We're on the way west side. So we'll catch you on the next one, you guys.
two-seaters 1,000. It's like, if you get those, you're going to have to get rid of something.
Yeah, yeah.
So I have a 1970 Chevelle in that garage.
Hey, good morning. What's up, you guys? John's Moto Garage. So we're back at the house. Obviously, it is a different day. It got dark last night by the time I got home. So the bike's been sitting in the truck here. We're going to unload the moto. I actually have to go pick up another bike. So I'm going to unload this real quick and then put it in the garage. And we'll go look at this other motorcycle, see if it pans out. Anyway, as always, thanks for tuning in. This is the 2010 Harley Davidson Road King Classic. It's got 23,000 miles and some change. Beautiful bike. I'll do a test ride on it later. And we'll do the walk around, cold start. Sorry about the lighting. But anyway, yeah, thanks again for tuning in to John's Moto Garage. Subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll hit you guys up on the next one. Adios.